Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Mahagaonkar. I am working as an assistant professor at Arts, Commerce and Science College. This lecture series is developed according to the syllabus given by Savitribai Phule Pune University for the subject Microcontroller. Today we are going to learn about the timer register. As we know that 8051 microcontroller is having two timers, that is timer 0 and timer 1. So to load the values into these two timers, one need to have register. So we have 16-bit register for each timer mode. So this is a bit structure for the 16-bit timer register. So suppose this is a timer 0 register. So this timer 0 register is actually a 16-bit, but whenever we want to use this register, it is split into 2 bytes, that is timer low byte and timer high byte. This low byte belongs for the timer 0, so we will treat that as TL0 register, which is 8-bit register, and TH0, this is again an 8-bit register. So this is timer 0 low byte register and this is timer 0 high byte register, which is 8-bit each. So these registers are 8-bit registers, and total timer register is 16-bit register. So we have D0, D1, D2, D3, then D4, D5, D6 and D7, which belongs to timer 0 low byte register, and the higher bits, that is T8, T9, D8, D9, D10, D11, D12, D13, D14 and D15. These 8 bits are part of your timer 0 high byte. So if you consider the total bit format, it is 16-bit register, but it is split into 2 bytes, timer low byte and timer high byte. Same thing we will have for timer 1 register. So this is timer 1 register, which is again 16-bit register, and it is divided into 2 byte, timer 1 low byte and timer 1 high byte. Both the registers are 8-bit register. So if you look at the bit format, this is again D0, D1, D2, D3, then you have D4, D5, then D6 and D7. These lower 8 bits are part of timer 1 low byte. Then you have timer high byte, which is D8, D9, D10, D11, D12, D13, D14 and D15. So from D8 to D15 we have timer 1 high byte. So whenever we want to load any value, either you can load that value into low byte or high byte, depending upon the mode of timer selection. So this is about the timer register. Thank you, students.